This is a Spaceway Folding Adjustable Table that's $14.99 from B&M Retail. I bought mine a couple of weeks ago, and this is why I bought it. This is my Ashford Sampleit Loom, and you can see it has a front rail there which holds tightly against the front of the folding table, and the two edges lap along the sides, making it an ideal work platform when you want to use the loom. But it has got one other advantage as well. You can attach the table clamps to either side, like as you would for a normal any normal table. One, and two, and then this is the beauty and the trick of this machine. When you've got your work on there, going through the heddles, I won't leave this on, but you'll see what I mean. When you have fabric on there and weft yarn and warp yarn running through the loom, there's a button underneath, and you can push it away to stand it against the wall. If you're going to a workshop, you can also turn it around, little button here, press the button in, which is always difficult with this one. The button presses in, the legs fold up, press the button underneath, the table folds down, and it goes in the back of the car. How about that? $14.99 from B&M rather than 85 quid for an Ashford table, which is pretty good saving. Thanks a lot.